Hi friends, good evening. So welcome to Rameshsoft video tutorials. So in this video, as a part of Java and Selenium interview question, right, we are talking about what programs. Right, we discussed a lot of programs earlier, and these programs are continuation for the earlier programs. And you guys know we had channel in YouTube, and there we have a lot of videos our Selenium and Java, JDBC, SQL and Git tutorials. Lot of tutorials are there. Just search with Rameshsoft, right? Yes. So in this video, the very frequently asked question in the interview, like write a program to find a duplicate characters in the string, or find the number of occurrences of a character, like they'll ask you. So we can write in different styles, but let me go with first one is with using one style is using map style, using collection framework, and the second one is using or regular expressions, right? Let me explain both styles. Now observe here, guys. So you'll understand my logics very easily. Just have a look. Now I'm creating one class called find duplicate test. Just observe here, guys. So what I'm doing is, observe here now. So I'm taking one method to find the duplicate characters. I'll give the input. In that input, it should find the duplicate characters. Now further, what I'm doing is I'm taking one method called find duplicates. I'm taking one method. Let me create and declare it as static, so that without creating object I can access this method. Now let me pass one parameter as a now string. You will understand the logic, guys. Just to show some patience here. Good. Now observe here. Now what I'm doing here. Now I'm taking one map object. You will understand. Just show some patience here. That too, I'm creating generic version object. So map is going to take the values in the form of key value pairs. You guys know very well. Now I'm taking the first key as a now character, and the second key value as I'm taking as integer. I'll explain. You will understand why I'm taking character and key. Hold on. Map is equal to. So we know different classes are there for map interface implementation classes. Hash map, linked hash map, tree map and all. Let me take, I'm taking hash map. Good. Now with this line, what happens? One empty hash map object is going to be created. Perfect. Now what I'm doing is, whatever he is passing the string, right, I want to convert this string to what now? I'm converting this string to what now? To character array. Sorry. So I'm converting this string to what now? To character array. Now I'm going to get that string is going to be converted to what now? Character array. Perfect. Now what I want to do I'm doing is, in this character array, I'm having the string yes or no. Yes. Now what I want to do is, in this map I want to check. So key I'm going to take as like a character, and value I'm going to take like this value I'm going to use like a duplicate count. This value I'm going to use like a duplicate count. Suppose I added a in this map. A is there. Again, second time when I'm trying to add a is already there or not? Yes. It means what? It is a duplicate. So the count should be what now? 2. Again, let's assume that I am trying to add one more. A is already there or not? 2 times. Now the count should become what now? 3. That duplicate count I am going to take as a part of what? As a part of value. You will understand. Wait for a couple of minutes. Good. Now what I am doing is, I want to iterate one by one. So I am taking one for loop. Something from where you want to iterate one by one, from this character array. Now you know what logic I am writing now here. Just observe concentration. Just observe carefully. Now one by one character array will be copied to this C. Perfect. Now here what I am doing is, if observe here, guys, you will understand my logic very easily. If map dot contains key, where my key is there, this is the key, right? This key C, right? So what I'm doing is, if map dot contains key, what is that? C value. Let's assume that in this map I don't have any values as of now, right? Yes or no? Yes. Now map is containing any C is having what is the value first time? Let's assume that I am passing Java. Let's assume that I am passing value as Java, right? So first what is the value is there in the C? J. So J is there in this map? Not there. Yes, not there. If it is not there, add it. Add it to what? Map. Perfect. Let's assume that if already there, if it is there, J is already there. Let's assume that J is already there. Now what I want to do is, instead of adding that, increment the what? This value. It means, observe here guys, what I am doing is, observe carefully, very easy. Now, if in this map, if this key is there, now what I am doing is, observe carefully. Now I am doing map dot put off, just observe here now, put off, observe here now. Put off what I am doing is, what is the value you want to add it? This character I want to add it, this value, and then what I want to do it is observe carefully. Let's assume that I am giving dummy. Let's assume that I am giving, let me give one. Let's assume that, let me give something I am giving. Second time, first C will be copied. Second time A. Map dot contains C. C is having what value? A. In the map, is there any A? Not there. It is putting into the map. Again V, yes, putting again A. Now observe here now. So in this map already A is there or not? Yes. If A is there, boss, please increment this value to what now? 2. So for that case, what I am doing is map dot get off C plus 1. Get off C plus 1. Else just write map dot put off C comma 1. Observe here guys, I'll explain the logic, you will get it very easily. Now observe here, now what I'm doing it now. Let me explain this flow. Let's assume that we are passing the value string as a what? Java. Now empty map object is created. Perfect. Let me open the paint. Now observe here, easy you will get done, easily you will understand, just to show some patience. Now observe here now guys, this is my map object. Okay, now observe here guys. So what I'm doing it now, I converted to this to what now? To character array. Means I'm getting character array. This Java will be added to as a part of what? This character array. Now in this, observe here now. This is what my character array object. Now in this, how many characters I'm having now? How many characters I'm having? 4. One is what? J V A. Yes or no? Yes. Now observe carefully. So index will begin with what now? 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Good. This is happens with the second line. Perfect. Now with this third line, what happens? I am iterating one by one from character array using what? For each loop. Yes or no? Yes. Now, so what happens? From this character array, one by one will be copied into the C. First, what will be copied? J. Map dot contains key. If you don't know about collection framework, maps and all, please watch my earlier videos. So in the map, is there any key? What is the C is having? What is the key C is having? J. Is there any J in this map? Is there any J in this map? Not there. Not there. Not there. It will come to where now? Else. Now put into the map called, what is that? C comma 1. C is the what? Key. 1 is the what? Value. So C is having here, what is the value? J. So what is the value will be added here now? J is equal to 1. Perfect. First value is done. First value is added. Very good. After that, observe here guys. Now again this for loop will be iterated. What is the value will be copied now? A. Now map dot contains key. I'm having what is the value here? A. Is there or not there? Is there? Not there. If not there, true or false? False. It will come to where now? Else. Now put into the what? Map. C is having what is the value now? Is having A is equal to 1. Perfect. Second step also is done. Now the next iteration, what happens? Next value will be copied. What is the value will be copied now? V. In this C, what is the value is there now? V. In map, is there any key called V? Not there. Means what? False. It will come to where now? Else. Now what happens now? Here C is having what is the value now? V is equal to 1. Perfect. Third iteration is done. Fourth iteration, what is the value? A. Now in this C, what is the value I am having now? A. Map dot contains key of A. In the map, is there any key called A? Yes. It is there or not? Yes. If it is there, means it returns what now? True. If it is there, means it returns what now? True. If true means what I am telling, right? So C is having what is the value? A. And then C is having what is the value? A. What is the value I am having it now? M map dot get of what? 1. Earlier, what is the value I am having? Value 1 plus what now? 1. So what is the value I am going to get it now? 2. A comma 2. You guys know in map keys cannot be what? Duplicate, but values can be duplicate. If you try to make keys as a duplicate, what happens? Old values will be replaced with what? New values. It means earlier A is equal to 1 is there. Now it will be replaced with what now? A is equal to 2. That is, old values will be replaced with what now? New values. Now here in place of 1, what is the value will be there now? 2. Now see here, how many times J is there? 1 time. How many times A is there? 2 times. How many times V is there? 1 time. Let's assume that here I am giving one more time Java, like I am giving it now. So again third, now here up to this is done, right? Yes. Again it will come to where now? Next A. Yes, in this what is the value is there? A. Map, in this map is there any key called A? Yes. Now what is this character C is having? A. And map dot get of C, what is the value it is having? 2 plus what? 1. What is the value it is having now? 3. Yes or no? Yes. Like this it is going to be what happens. Let's assume that what I am doing is now, very good. Now this is what we done, just we added the count. Now what I want to do it is, I want the count of what? Of what? Keys or values? Values. Because where I am differentiating these duplicates as a part of what? Value. So for that what I am doing is, observe here guys. So in this map I want key set. Because if you know key, you can get the value or not? Easily. Now we have a method called key set method to get the what? All the keys in the form of what? Set. Now what is this? Keys. Now what do you want to do it now? Now what do you want to do it now? Iterate one by one. For char C1 colon. I want to iterate from where now? Keys. Now what I am doing is, observe here guys. So observe here now. So if map dot get off key, what is the key? Where my key is there? In C1. If it is greater than 1, means it is a what? Duplicate or not? Of course, then I want the duplicate. I am printing with SYS off. What is the duplicate key? How I can get it? How I can get it? Yes. So I am going to get what? The duplicate keys, right? So what I am doing is just to print print C1, sorry, print C, one second, print just map dot get off, what is that, C1, yes or no? Yes. Now see here, now let me write the main method, one second, yes. Now see here, so I have the static method, right? We can call directly find duplicate. I am giving like Java space A. Now see here, just give right click or run as Java application. Now see here, 26222, right? But what I want to do is, how many times, what is this 2, what is this 6, what is this 2, what is this 2? I want that differentiation. So A how many times is there? 6 times is there. J how many times is there? 2 times. V how many times is there? 2 times. I want that, right? How we can get it? See here, now what I'm doing it now, map dot get off. Now see here, just I'm printing C1 plus now observe this. Let me run it now. Run as Java application. See here. So how many times A is there? 6 times. How many times V is there? 2 times. How many times A is there? 2 times. How many times spaces is there? 2 times. Yes, I'm getting it or not? Yes. So this is the way to find what? Duplicate characters. This is the way to write the program to find what? Duplicate characters. Very, very important, guys. Definitely they'll ask in the interview whether you're a Java developer or automation developer, right? Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Thank you so much.